cherry. Cheers! Masarap din, pero mas masarap yung strawberry. Next ay itong peach. Maubos na yung berry bill. Oh, kalahati na lang. Either of them, mas masarap pa din itong strawberry. Ngayon naman, itong blueberries. Tingnan niyo yung baby bell. Cheers!